there are some indications that when the masajid will reopen, they will have to have some sort of these social distancing, physical distancing, measures. It says social distancing in congregation. Are we allowed to pray in these disconnected rows, in these huge gaps
I
like this?
think I've answered this question before I left.
Scenario, yeah, 3 feet.
And I said to the brothers, Ya Ikhwani, if we had a choice, if we are in a Muslim country, and the leaders, they said, either we open the masjid with distancing, or we don't open the masjid. What did we say? We open the masjid.
We pray like that.
They wanted for our distance, for example, 2 meters, we'll bring the measuring tape and make 2 meters. No problem. We want the masjid to be open, Ya Ikhwan. So we have said this. Somebody has just asked me something, and he said to me, look at this, and it was Sheikh al-Ruhaili. Sheikh Salman Ruhaili. He's one of the shuyukh salafs, mashallah, tabarakallah. And when I heard this words just about today, wallahi. And it was word for word what I've said before. So if we had, the masjid either to open with distancing or not to open, of course, ya akhi, open and have distancing. But we know for a fact, ya akhwana, that distancing is not going to be lasting for a long time, because you're going to go through the door. You're going to have somebody going one by one, especially in the Jumu'ah, there's lots of people. So I'm just saying the distancing here. How far are we going to be putting, for example, signs on the carpets or all this? We will do as much as we can. We will do as much as we can. And if we believe that the pandemic is a killer, regardless of the distancing, I'm not going to go to the Jama'ah. I'm going to stay at home. They open the Jama'ah. Let them open the Jama'ah. They want to have the distancing. But for me, if I feel I'm vulnerable, I don't. I'm just saying, if I feel, and I feel like this is like proper ta'un, and it's going to kill me, I will not come. But if I feel that I'm immune from it, because I got it before, okay, and no problems, I'll come, inshallah. Whether the person wants to stick his shoulder to me to shoulder or not, is up to him. But I will come to the masjid. But if I feel that it's going to be jeopardizing my life, don't come to the masjid. Even with social distancing, it's better not to come to the jama'ah. Stay at home, make your own jama'ah, rather than to expose yourself to death. Especially the old people.
That applies even in normal time, not just our own. If you feel
yes, of course.
That's a normal principle.
It's normal, even, yes. Normal. So if you are a person who is contagious and you're diseased, you should not come to the masjid. No. But we say we are with the faith. What they decide, we're going to go ahead. Now.